Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I will show you how you can restore already deleted files in your Dropbox account. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. So head over to dropbox.com, log into your account, be it in the web application of Dropbox or through the application installed on your device. And here on your home screen, guys, all you need to do is access the deleted files folder, or just for demonstration purposes, let me delete the file from my storage here. So I'm going to delete that video file here, right click on it. Click on delete. After that, the given file will be moved to the deleted files folder here to the left, so access it. And after that, simply left click on the file or select it here to the left. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to either permanently delete the given file from your Dropbox account or to restore it. So click on restore here, confirm that here in that window, wait for the restoration process to be finished. And after a moment, the given file will be restored and moved back to your main folder here on your home screen. There you go, there it is. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.